I'm deep in the heart of the Alaskan mountains. I'm using snow dogs, snowshoes, and skis to cross a 22-mile pass through the mountains. I'm building my own survival shelters and camping in blizzards. Equipment's breaking down and my body's getting beat up. I'm not sure I can do this, but I am sure it's going to be an interesting video. The snow dog's not very good at going over logs. Sled hitch popped up and hit me right in the teeth. Oh man, I felt like I tipped a tooth on that. Gotta be careful of my moneymaker.